Hello, family. Welcome to this channel. So I got a hold of this phone and I saw this video, so I decided to chip in. So let's get on with it. So step one, you moisturize your face. Yes, it's clearly written. And you do some cardinal points on your face. And you ensure you rub it, rub it in. Yes, you keep rubbing it in. Yes, until I don't know why it's rubbing it on her neck, but do whatever she does. Then spray whatever she sprays on her face and neck. Then use something facial to do cardinal point. I think I just saw facial primer. So yes, facial primer. You rub it, rub your cheeks, rub the cheeks. You rub it everywhere on your face, under the eye, the nose. Keep rubbing till it's uniform. Yes, let's keep doing that. Then you apply some foundation. You draw some tribal marks on your face. Yes, just the way she's doing it. The cardinal points too, tribal marks. Then you take your puff to puff it up. Yes, I hope I pronounced it right. I believe that is called puff. Yes, whatever women use. So you keep puffing. It's uniform. Puff, pass. Puff. Then you apply contour. Contour. So you do contour on the right, apply it. Yeah, this is so aesthetically or more English. This is so beautiful. Yes, you keep applying this contour on the angle she did it. Yes. You apply it. Why she did it, I don't know, but she did it, so she's good at this. So keep doing it. Yes. Puff. Keep puffing it. Keep puffing it. Keep puffing. Looking smooth. Then you apply blush. Yes, on the right side of the eye and the left side. Then you take something that looks like a brush, makeup brush, I guess. Then you rub it in until it's uniform around the eyes. Yes, like a C. And also your cheekbones. Keep rubbing it in. Yes. This is what we call professionalism at this peak. So keep rubbing it in. Then you take your puff and puff it. Then I don't know what this is, but just follow what she's doing. You take it, you do it under your eyes, you rub it uniformly under the eyes. Then yes, air is important. You have to apply air. Yes, always have air around you. Air touching your face. Set up on air benders. You know what I'm saying? So you puff again. Yes, you puff it. Then you alight your T-zone, whatever that means, on your face. So you alight it under the eyes, the right side. Yes. Oh, the left side, and also in between your nose and whatever she just did. Looks like a costume party. You know what I'm saying? Yes, air, very, very important. This is a vital ingredient. Air. Then you take your puff and you puff it again. Yes, you puff. You puff it. Yeah, this is good. Looking good. It's coming together now. So you keep puffing it. Yeah, you puff it. Puff the right side till everything is uniform. The left side till everything is uniform. Keep puffing. Don't stop puffing it until it's uniform. Keep puffing it. Puff. Yes, let's puff this thing. Yes. Then puff around your eyelids. Don't forget about the one in between your nose. Yeah, she didn't forget. Yes, so you keep doing that. So you puff it. It's looking uniform now. I believe we are following these footsteps. Yeah, these little footsteps. Looking gorgeous. Amazing. So the next step is optional. I don't know what it's called, but it's optional. You might not need it, you might need it. Depends on you, I guess. So you just do what she just did, and you puff it again. I guess the most important ingredient or two, the most important tool in this thing is this puff to puff it up, to puff it up and make it uniform. Then use powder to highlight areas in your face. Yeah, so you highlight it first. You keep doing this until it's uniform. Yeah, the process might look tedious and not fun, but the output is what matters. So just follow the footsteps and let's see how it looks like at the end. So use your puff to apply certain things or whatever it is under your lips. Man, yeah. Wow, artistic, so puff it up. You puff it up. Yeah. As you are doing this, please ensure you're enjoying yourself. Ensure you're enjoying yourself. Play some good music on the background. Yeah. So I'm selling down. My heart will go on. You know what I'm saying? So keep puffing up. I get this is not the final output. This is not the final output. It cannot be. Yeah. Yes. Let's wait. Step 10. Man, girls are trying. So step 10, you take something, make a bigger makeup brush. I don't know what was applied, but apply it. Yes. Ask questions in the comment section. I saw mineral somewhere, so apply mineral powder. Whatever that means. Apply it on your face. So yeah. I don't know why mineral looks black, Why growing up mineral is Fanta. So I was expecting something light. I was looking dark. Then a smaller brush to apply another mineral. Yes, mineral around your nose and eyes. Yes, this is black mineral. Very good to use. You apply blush, so your face will look like you are blushing. Apply blush. Yes, on the left cheek and the right cheek bone. Blush it up. Yes, you have to blush it up. Blush it. Yes. Like I said, always listen to cool music when you're doing this. It makes it so serene. You know what I'm saying? Some Celine Dion or Jenny Drill or some very cool song. You know what I'm saying? Bruno Mars. Yes, leave the door open. I'ma leave the door open. Oh, sorry. So let's get back to it. So you apply something on your brow. Yes, to make it look sharp. You know what I'm saying? Then you use your eyebrow pencil to draw some artistic design around your eyebrows. Then you apply what she's applying. It is important around the eyelids. So yes, apply it. As I was saying, play some cool music. Yes. Now, I thought this was going to be a short video, but man, this is long. Women, how do you do this? This is well long. So let's continue. She's applying something on her face, right? So let's apply. Let's keep applying. So we apply some eyeshadow. Yeah, eyeshadow, whatever color you like, right? Beef, whatever color you select and apply. But try not to look like those local women, that look like masquerades. Yeah, sure you don't do that. I guess now is the time to use bare fingers. Okay. Yeah, you mix the colors, blend it up around the eyelids. You have to blend it, perfect blend. And I think that's black. You blend it again, keep blending. Then you apply some eyeliner. Try not to use too much force so you don't shook your eyes. Yeah, You don't want to go blind doing this, you know what I'm saying? It's a very thin line between this and you piercing your eyes. The eyes are important. Oh, our puff puff is back. What a wahoo. So, this is another variant of the puff puff. This is not puff puff. I thought it was puff puff. But apply what she's applying. Yes, keep applying under the eyes. This look like a Korean makeup. You know what I'm saying? You want to look Koreanish? This is it. Keep applying. Keep applying. It's coming together. Yeah, it's coming together. Is this the final product? I don't think so. We have step 17. Oh, we have to spray something on our face. Yeah, spray it, spray it, spray it. Look good. Oh, puff puff is back. Say yeah. So apply the puff puff. Puff it up again. Puff it up. After spraying, yeah, puff it up, puff it up, puff it up. So it does not break. So yeah, puff it up, puff it up. We have step 18. Apply some mascara. Yeah, like I said before, be careful not to blind yourself. Okay, we're going to attach some eyelashes, which I like calling fans. You know, some are so long, when you blink you blow some breeze across the room. So good. Yeah, women are trying, man. See why I don't think I want to ever be a woman. Just bath, rub cream, rub lotion, brush my hair. I'm out of the house, man. Spray some perfumes. And now we get to the lipstick part. So you apply some at the upper level of your lips, and you apply on your bottom lip. Apply, yeah. Then I think you apply something lighter. My God. Don't swallow it. It's not food. Before you do this, ensure you are eating. Wow, she swallowed it. My God. Don't swallow it. Don't swallow it. This is not food. Please ensure you are doing this the right way. Put the lips together and see it come to life. Oh my God. Some lip gloss. Make it shine, baby. Yes, some lip gloss. Make it shine. Make it shine. We have step 21. Or to look good, apply what you just applied. Yeah, don't open your eyes so you don't get blind. It's very important. I guess it's hot. Yeah, you have to apply what's hot to look hot. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. So I hope with these few points of mine and steps, I hope I convinced you and not confuse you that you have to look good, and these are the steps to follow. While you smile, 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 keep smiling, smile, no stress. Thank you for listening.